these are actual Russian drones that have been recovered. And this is what one of them looks like. So there's a lithium ion battery pack right here. This looks like the area where it can maybe drop something, or you have some kind of attachment. And you can see this is about how big they are. It's about with the wingspan, maybe 12 feet. However, this one has a bag on the bottom for dropping something, probably same like the other one. You have a surveillance drone here with the camera on the front of it. This is kind of a more rudimentary drone with a wooden propeller, but you can see the big explosive ordnance mounted to the bottom. This looks like it could have been made like in a machine shop somewhere. This is one of the Iranian drones made in Iran, the Shahed drones. Iran has an alliance with Russia. They're making these drones, and a drone like this is really dangerous. In fact, we got the alert the other night, probably very similar. Drone approaching Kiev. You can see here, this is an interesting drone. It has a camera mounted to the front. And then another one like what we saw earlier with the battery pack on it. And then you have another drone here that's kind of a more sleek aerodynamic design. And it has a camera mounted to the front of it as well. Here's some other interesting smaller drones. You can see this drone here looks very similar to what you'd buy in a toy store in America. This is like a homemade kind of quadcopter. And then here's a drone right here that they recovered. And I would be interested to know who painted the flowers all over it, this lily. If that was...
who knows, maybe it's Ukrainian.
Maybe painted by the Ukrainians after they recovered it. That's kind of something you see, a common theme, where you have a lot of bright colors and beautiful paintings painted on things that were found during the war to kind of, it's kind of like a counterbalance to the death and destruction. Look right here, you can see the drones flying around. This is video. Oh yeah, right there, you can see the drone exploding. So this is really what happens in Ukraine when you have these drones that fly around. And they're very small when you see them flying in the sky. Sometimes they make a loud noise like a lawnmower engine, and then when they hit, they have incredible destructive power. They can easily destroy part of a building or kill a lot of people. So people are very concerned about these drones here in Ukraine, and they have an air alert system to warn us if there's one approaching. Anyways, I hope this was interesting for you guys to see what some of these drones look like.